Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treats. So in today's video, we are going to make this amazing chicken bread, which you can have any time of the day. It's so easy and simple to put together. My name is Benedicta. So we'll start off by making the dough, and for this we'll be pouring about 300 grams of flour. We'll add our yeast to it. We'll be adding our sugar, some salt, and then go in to mix it up very well. Please do not pour your yeast directly onto the salt, as this will kill it. We'll then be adding our oil and some water. We'll be kneading this on low speed for about 8 minutes. And after 8 minutes, this is what we have. It's not soft, neither is it tough. It's in between, and it's quite stretchy. We'll be placing it in a greased bowl, cover it up, and allow it to proof for an hour. And as it's proofing, we'll be making the filling for our chicken bread. And for this, we'll be pouring in some garlic powder, white pepper powder. You can use black pepper powder if that is what you have, some salt, cornstarch, and mix everything very well together. Make sure your chicken is well coated with all the ingredients. We'll then pour about 3 tablespoons of oil into a pan, and when it's hot enough, we'll be frying our chicken. So after a couple of minutes, it's done because I fried it on high heat. We'll take it out and set it aside. And in the same pan, we'll be pouring our onion, and as you can see, we didn't add any extra oil to it. We'll let it saute for just a couple of minutes and then add our carrot to it. And for this as well, after about a minute, we'll be pouring our fried chicken into it and mix it up very well. Next, we'll be pouring over this about 80 ml of whipping cream. You can also use milk if that is what you have available. We'll pour over this some dried thyme, white pepper powder, some salt to taste, and some garlic powder as well. Please be mindful of the salt at this point, as we are going to add some Parmesan cheese, which is a bit salty. We'll be turning the heat off after adding our Parmesan cheese, and then pour over this our bell pepper, which has been beautifully chopped. Mix everything well together and set it aside to cool down completely. So there we have it. So after about an hour, we are done proofing our dough, and you can use this dough to also make your pizza. In that situation, you replace the regular oil with olive oil to give it a very nice flavor. So we have it very stretchy as well. We are going to roll this out into about 36 centimeters long. And that's our chicken, which has completely cooled down. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet for amazing recipes every week. And also turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. So we're placing our filling on about 1/3 of our dough. And if it's too much, please set some aside. You can use it later. And we'll be sprinkling some cheese on top. You can also sprinkle some cheese at the base before putting your filling on the dough. So we are going to roll this to cover up the filling. And on the side that is left, we are going to make slits and leave about 2 centimeters to the tip uncut. We'll then roll this over and tuck the ends down. You can actually mold this into any shape of your choice. You can make smaller portions of these, for example, into 5 pieces. It will make it look great and eating it very easy, especially when you are offering it to kids. So we are going to give it an egg wash. We are going to whisk just 1 egg and then brush it on top of our dough. We'll then be baking this in a 170-degree preheated oven. But before that, we'll sprinkle some black sesame seeds on top. If you have the white one, please go for it. And look how yummy it's looking already. So off it goes into the oven for about 30 minutes. And there we have it. After 30 minutes, our chicken bread is done. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to let this cool down before giving it a cut. And as you can see, it feels soft to cut as well. We'll be having this with some caramels. You can have this with some tea and have it at any time of the day for breakfast, as a snack. It tastes really delicious. I hope you give this a try at home and your family and friends will love it. Another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. See you in the next one. Bye!